Aloha again, everybody. Mike Drutar, principal broker and owner, NextHome Paradise Realty, here with another property tour for you. Today we are in Kona Highlands. This is a neighborhood that's been established for quite a while here in Kona. It's kind of above the airport, to give you a little bit of reference. And there's a lot of slope up here, so you get from just about every house some pretty good views. That's something that you don't get at a lot of places. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,276 square feet. It's got an enclosed, a screened-in additional lanai area, and a pool, along with some great views. So let's get started and get inside and check out this house and the things that they have done to update it. Right at the beginning, I can tell that this is a nicer screen door that's been updated. And coming right on in, so we're going to see the open beam ceilings. We've seen a lot of that in some of our older homes. This was a very common construction style in the 80s and up into the mid 90s. This home was built, 1979, so they were one of the first folks to do that. One thing people like about this construction style is that it gives you a lot of flexibility for putting in walls in different places. The outside of the home is built. You got these trusses, you got a large beam going down the center of the home, and a few posts, and we see one right there, that come down for structural support. And that's really about it. So from there, it's pretty easy to build. And so that's why it's one of the real popular styles that we see. So first things first, coming right in, we got 18-inch tile. And this is sort of that quartzite look. It's got a little bit of texture to it, so it feels really good on your feet. So when you have a little bit of humidity, you don't have any condensation on the floor. You see that a little bit on the glazed porcelain or the marble tile. You know, we do have a lot of humidity here in Kona, so that's something to take into account. We got a little service door going out to the carport. We saw that they had added on there, and a little bit of an open area right here into our living space right next to us. And again, these are 18-inch tiles, so you can kind of get a little bit of perspective on the size. And then we have 2 sliders out to our, let's go ahead and just hit the view, out to what was originally a lanai. And then it looks like it was actually constructed as a lanai with that, and then they just screened it in. So you can close the sliders and have the house air conditioned. Yes, this has air conditioning. Or you can be out here and it's screened in, so you get the bugs to stay outside while you're in here enjoying the view. And we're looking directly to the west, and so you're gonna have nice sunset views. So really nice, cool area. They got a little ceiling fan out here to keep the air moving. So pretty awesome. But when it warms up, you can close the house up. We're over 1,000 feet here, and so the elevation's really primed to stay nice and comfortable, but they still have 4 split AC systems, and one of them is right there, and that services this main area of the house. And there's also one in each of the 3 bedrooms. The split ACs are becoming super popular here in Hawaii for a number of reasons. One, you know, the temperatures are changing from when they built this house in 1979, and things are getting warmer. With the split AC systems, you can retrofit a home. But I'm also seeing people do it on new construction, because a lot of times you might just want it in the bedroom at night when you're sleeping. You might want it just in separate, different rooms. And having a forced AC HVAC system with everything going throughout the home is really not efficient. And if you've seen my video on solar PV, if you haven't, check it out. But if you have, you know that our electric is averaging, I believe it's 39 cents a kilowatt hour. So wasting air conditioner energy is a bad idea. They've done some updating here in the kitchen, as you can see. So we've got some, it looks like maple shaker style cabinets. And we have an updated granite, and this is a double stack here on the edge. And this looks really good. Newer appliances. I love these slimline microwaves. They're a real space saver, and I think about it, you know, most of the microwaves we see are kind of tall, but you don't really need all that space. So having that slimline one I like is pretty good. We got a stainless dishwasher, and we saw stainless features here on the stovetop and the oven, stainless Whirlpool slimline microwave. Stainless door front Frigidaire on the refrigerator, double door. Dual sinks over here. These aren't soft close cabinets, but they are dovetail jointed. So higher grade on that, they last a little bit longer. The slides are on the bottom. I like the dovetails as opposed to the staple posted joints. So little features like that. A pretty new washer dryer comes with the house. So that's nice as well. They did a really good job in here on utilizing space. So this is really smart. Having this little area to put your appliances, like they got their mixer there. I kind of like a little prep area there. Semi pantry over on the other side, just additional storage. This is really good. And then back in here to the main area of the house, we saw our living room. So over here now we can see the dining room area. What I really like about this style, one of the things, is that you get a sense of space by having that vaulted ceiling in there. It feels like the place is larger, which is really nice. And then coming down our hallway, over here to our right, we've got an updated bathroom. Great job on that. We have a tile change right here, and I've seen this, I like this tile. It's kind of got a patina look on it, really sharp, brings a little bit of color, and they've accented that nicely, showing you what you can do there with a little bit of blue. That turtle's coming out a little bit more blue than in person, but it's a really nice accent. And then they tiled in the bathroom with that same tile in the shower all the way up to the ceiling. Good job, they didn't stop it short like so many folks do. And then they use that as the backsplash right there at the sink. Good job on that. Then over here to our left, we have a bedroom that they've converted into a nice little seating area. So cute, look what they did here. I mean, that just looks awesome. I think that is really cool. If you need it for a bedroom space, you can do that. You can turn it into an office. You can do quite a bit of stuff. Double doors with the blinds inside the glass right here on the door. And then screen door so you can keep it open for the breezes out to that ocean view. And they have it kind of set up as a little TV watching room, pretty flexible. So that's a closet. They've removed the doors and then put some shelving inside and put a big screen TV there. Kids probably like that for a gaming area. But if you wanted to turn this into a full bedroom, just go buy some sliders and put them right on there and you are set. Back into our hallway, we got a little linen closet over here. And then this is the temporary storage bedroom. So this is what you have to do when you're selling a house. You gotta pick a room to put all your stuff in. So that's what we got right here. They have it kind of, looks like it was well, I know it was a bedroom previously. Plenty of space in here for certainly a queen size bed. You can squeeze in a king as well. And a pretty decent sized closet here for a secondary bedroom. Goes back, I'd say, about 6 feet. And again, it has its own separate AC, just like our last bedroom. And then back in here to the owner's bedroom. This is the largest bedroom. So we have our AC, ceiling fan, French door with the blinds inside the windows and your screen going out. This is a full Eastern king bed. And you have plenty of room on either side. And then around here into your own private bathroom. Nice job there on the shower as well. And this is smart. So when this home was built, you can tell it had a traditional door that swings, and then you lose space with that. Now people can do a pocket door, but with a pocket door, if you want to go back and retrofit it, that pocket door takes up this whole area inside the wall, so you have to rip out the sheetrock, put the pocket door in, put sheetrock back on. And that's one reason the barn style or farm style door is super, super popular. Really smart to do that right there. I love it. Saves space, gives you more space to claim in your bathroom while still having your door there. Really great job on the retrofit of that. Super smart. And then our closet over in here. Again, we're looking at about 5 or 6 feet deep. Looks like about 4 feet wide or so. And then from here, we got our screen door out to, I mentioned it had a pool. So this is a decent sized pool. It's square. It looks like it's about, if I'm going to have to estimate here, I think we're looking at about 15 by 25, maybe 13 by 25 or so. Heck, it might even be 30 feet long. They have the cover on here, so you can throw that over to the top, let it warm up during the day, put the cover on, keep it from getting too cool at night. They've got a nice umbrella out here. This is the setup. I'm going to go ahead and turn over here real quick. So we're looking down the side of the house. Down there is where that carport was. So beyond the carport, between us and the carport, beyond the carport, if you're there at the beginning, is the storage shed. And it looks like they put that on a wood base, so it's nice and flat. Good job on that. Nice place to hide your rubbish cans and your recycling. Over here with this large mango tree, this thing will put out a ton of mangoes in season. And oh, we got a banana tree. I think there's some other citrus trees. I saw like looks like an orange or an apple tree down there in the corner. And around the other side, we got some guava. You see those getting ready to bloom. They're fully fenced in, fully compliant with code, it certainly appears. Something that's very important when you have the pool. Pool house, that's smart. So they use that to cover up their pool equipment and mitigate the sound. And then we have a large lanai that is uncovered. So that was bedroom 2, that was bedroom 3. I'm going by the size of the bedrooms and the closets. And then in here to our screen lanai and out to our view. Pretty nice. All right, so listed at $789.9. It's been on the market just 4 days. It's a Saturday today. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. They've done a nice job updating. This is move-in ready as far as I'm concerned. I can't find anything that needs to be done to make this house, you know, habitable. Like sometimes you see some of these places and you know you have to do some things to move into it. This one you don't really have to do anything. There's things you could do, I guess, if you wanted, but everything's set. The appliances are in great shape. It's been recently painted. It looks wonderful inside. I can't find anything. There I am in the mirror wearing my orange hat on a Saturday. Who else is coming out here to show you guys properties on a Saturday afternoon? This is listed by Marissa Ashley at Action Team Realty. A big thank you to Marissa. She's actually an agent who called me to say, hey, come take a video of this house and put it up on your social media channels. See if any of your clients would like to take a look at it and make an offer. So a big thanks to her for that. I'll catch you guys again at our next video tour. Aloha.